Okay, I will demonstrate how to use this Pleinly wet panel carrier which is included in Pleinly watercolor easel set. It can be used for carrying wet paintings from the field back to home. So I will demonstrate how to use it with this Pleinly sketchbook, which is 8 by 12 inches. When you are in the field, you can paint on both sides like this, and then you put this, when it's still wet, you put this painting here, let it dry a little maybe, then put this carrier frame so like this. Then you can put this board on top of here or the easel board. It doesn't matter. You can put the easel board here, for example, then tighten these Velcro straps and close the back. There are two zipper pullers here. Then you can carry it home from this handle or from this shoulder strap, or you can put it inside of the bigger backpack. For example, Pleinly BB70 backpack can be used. This goes inside of that bag. Or you can attach it outside of that bag. There are one carabiner and the loop on the top, and there are 4 loops on the sides to attach it to the backpack. And when you are carrying it home like this, and then in home you open it, you see it's still secured here nicely and protected, and you just take the frame out and you have the painting here secured.